Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add calls, notes, and emails in HubSpot, while also giving you a better understanding of how these features improve your workflow. Start by going to HubSpot.com and clicking the Login button at the top right. Enter your credentials to access your dashboard. From your dashboard, open the CRM and go to the Contacts tab. Select a contact to see their engagement history. This is where all notes, calls, and emails are tied to individual contacts. To add a note, click the Notes tab in the Activities section and type any important details or reminders. For calls, navigate to the Calls tab to log a call, schedule one, or even make a call directly through HubSpot. You can record the call duration, outcome, and key takeaways. For emails, click the Emails tab to compose and send messages directly from HubSpot. All communications are automatically logged alongside your other activities. HubSpot also helps businesses maintain consistency in communication, improves team collaboration, enhances customer relationship tracking, supports better data organization, increases productivity, enables performance insights, strengthens follow-ups, improves accountability, and provides a centralized system for managing interactions efficiently. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently manage calls, notes, and emails, keeping all your contact information organized and trackable. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.